Hello everyone, welcome to another video lesson. Today I will show you a beautiful trade setup that I recently executed on USD chart. For example, here, first of all, we can see that market was going up, but when market going up, so it must also have some supply, right? So we had this supply area here, and you can see that market reacted from this weekly supply area. This is a weekly chart and weekly supply area. So once market started rejecting these levels, we had a beautiful supply again here, this one here, this level here. Can you see that? So all these basing candles, can you see all these basing candles, and this move here actually made a higher high over there. Okay, now what we can do is we can just go to the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame. That's my favorite time frame. So on this 4-hour time frame, now what we're gonna do here is we can just connect last two peaks, and then we have this one here, we have this peak here, and we have this peak here. And as you can see, that market actually right now in that weekly, it's a weekly demand area. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we will just draw a trend line connecting these two peaks. So I drew a trend line. Okay, so now after doing this trend line, we can see that we have to find out a strong imbalance. See these two candle here, this candle 1 and candle 2. Can you see these two move here? These two candle, actually they are ERC candle. If you don't know what is the ERC candle, you can go to my older videos and find out what is an ERC candle. So number 2. So after these two candle I formed, I could see that these two candle are so strong, and it broken the trend line actually, and also the price came into the weekly area. So what we're gonna do is we can just draw an order block right here. So that will be our order block to place an order. Well, so that's our order block to place an order. Now if we go to the weekly area, as you can see that how it looks in the weekly area and the daily area, so we can just place a trade here and we can aim for 3%. Okay, let's see how it's gonna work. As you can see, I'm in the trade and market actually came very deep into this level. So that means that's a good sign, because that means market actually collecting all the orders from big banks. And as you can see that my 3%, I made it very easily. Okay, now we know that it's the uptrend, and also this is the weekly area. So now I will remove everything and let me just make it very clear. So now in this area here we have another imbalance. Okay, and that imbalance will be this one here. But well, market never actually came back to this level here, so because market was so strong, as you can see that market just going up. Okay, and then after that we have new imbalance just right here, and market never came back here, but before that market actually made another imbalance. Can you see these three candles here? They are just so good. They are ERC candles, and these ERC actually responsible for imbalances. So if you just place a buy limit order here, you cannot now place order, you cannot use these two level right anymore, because we get a new imbalance. And if you buy here or do anything, that means market is not trending up anymore when price actually come back to this level. So you have to work with the recent level, recent levels of fresh supply or demand. So if we just place an order here, and we can go for 3%. Yeah, you see, I'm not sure, but my trade was executed because I use a good broker. It's a zero spread broker on EURUSD, so my trade was executed. But if you use a bad broker, then maybe your trade would not be executed because of the spread. So I made actually 3% here and 3% here on that area. So let me just clear it. So 3%, 3%, 6% in only in June month from EURUSD trade. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please remember to subscribe and comment. It helps the algorithm. And thank you.